You want to make a frame with this pencil illustration, right? But I have an easy way of doing it for you. Select the pencil. Go to the Windows menu. Click on the Brushes option. Drag and drop the pencil onto the Brushes panel. Make it an art brush. Select Stretch between guides. Adjust the guides to mark the areas you don't want stretched. Remove the original pencil illustration with the pencil or brush tool. Create a frame. Once it's done, click on the pencil brush. Now you have a beautiful pencil brush. You can scale it up or down. You can change the stroke size to your liking. Set it to 0.75 if you want. Use the brush tool to draw random pencil shapes. Let your creativity flow. Try another fun idea. Take the ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Apply the pencil brush to it. Click on the small icon. Move it to create a graph-like effect. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Comment on it. Subscribe to Ace Designs.